A Pakistani postdoctoral researcher living in China's Lانژو has expressed gratitude for the China-proposed Belt and Road Initiative, saying he had landed academic opportunities in China because of the BRI. Kamran Malik is a postdoctoral researcher at Lانژو University. He applied for the Belt and Road Scholarship at Lانژو University in 2015 and completed his PhD in microbiology in 2020.
My name is Malik and I'm from Pakistan. I came to Lانژو University in 2015 and in 2020 I was graduated as a PhD student. Now I'm a postdoc fellow. I like Lانژو. It's just like my second hometown. My research focuses on the bioenergy by using some wastes for the biofuel production. In our countries, we think that if we go abroad, so it is very difficult to cope the expenses. The best thing is from 2015 to 2020, all my expenses are covered by this Belt and Road initiatives that helped a lot of people from the world to change their economic status, to get them a better future. So I can only say thank you very much.
Now, with his postdoctoral studies to be completed, Malik is seeking employment in Lانژو, and he wishes to contribute his efforts in strengthening the cooperation between his country and China.
It was my dream to live in China after PhD, so I am very near to my dream. So hopefully I will get an opportunity to live here and work in China. So after that I got a lot of opportunities to participate in different projects between the both sides in Pakistan and China. I have participated a lot of conferences which were organized by the Pakistani side or by the Chinese side. As far as my contributions are concerned, I will give my best to strengthen the cooperation between China and Pakistan.